This is another example of a dashboard previously created in our Claude AI connection to AIMS360. And just so that I could show you how easy it is to run the dashboards once again. Now this is a little more of a simplistic prompt. It's saying give me my open order count, anything past a finish date with the total open dollars, open units, etc. And as you can see on the screen here, I'll go ahead and expand that out. Here's a listing, it was only 12 orders that are available. 5 of them are past their finish date, dollar value, open units, shipped units. Now, obviously, this is data for our demo purposes, but it doesn't matter big or small how many orders you have. The point is that you can easily see what data that you have in the system, how some of these orders are overdue or running late, right? The ordered quantities of units, the dollar amounts, etc. And the nice thing is that with the integration, if the data in AIMS360 changes, you can go in and see the update quickly. So again, 12 orders, 58,788, 1248 units. I'm going to switch over to my AIMS360 system connected to Claude, and these are the filtered orders, of which, if I click on this little option to show you, there are a total of 12 orders in an open status that equal the 1248 units, the 58,788 rounded in Claude up to the nearest dollar, the shipping quantity, etc. So those are the exact orders. Now, if we were to suddenly enter in a couple more orders, that data can be changed and updated back to Claude very quickly. Now in this case, I could either enter orders, or what I'm going to do is simply clear my filter here on the open hold orders, and let's take and we'll make a couple of our orders in an open status, right? So sometimes orders are in a hold status while you're working out payment details, whatever the case may be, and at some point those orders will then be approved for shipping or approved status, etc. So if we change the order status, even for a couple of orders here, I'm going to go ahead and change it on a couple of my orders for, actually let's change 2 separate ones just so we can see how that changes. So let me go back to my order list and I'll grab one of these that wasn't previously on an open status. And we're just changing this over. And again, whatever your process is internally in your AIMS system for reason codes, etc. But now that I've changed these over, if I go back and I look at my list, I'm going to refresh the data first. Then I'm simply going to refilter the data to an open status. So now in AIMS360, there are 14 records in an open status, and then the details have also changed. It's 1532 units, it's 74,627 some odd dollars. That's going to get rounded up by the dollar. The shipping doesn't change. We didn't ship anything more. We simply changed the status. So whether you changed the status in this instance or had I entered more orders and they were in an open status, the point is when I go back to my dashboard, now I can simply ask the system to just refresh the data. Now this can take anywhere from a couple of minutes to a longer period of time depending on the amount of data the system needs to pull and reconcile, but this should be relatively quick in our system. So here we can see it's even telling us 2 new orders have come in since the last amount of data, which is exactly what we did. We updated the Randa's Boutique and we updated Anthropology, so those will now be added to the new dashboard. We can already see the updated information appearing here as well. 14 rows, the new dollar amount, the open units is 1532, the shipped units did not change, right? Just as we saw back in AIMS360 just a moment ago. And now we can see the dashboard just updated, so we're already seeing the totals here. I'm just waiting to confirm everything is done, and now we can expand out the data again, and we can see our 14 orders, our new dollar amount, our new open units. We can see both Anthropologie and Randa's Boutique have been added here into the grid in the appropriate areas. So it's very easy to simply get live updates to your data when anything changes in AIMS 360, whether it's in a list view or in a nice graphical dashboard, by using our interface with ChatGPT and Claude.